In this video, we will review how to enter data manually for your indicators that are disaggregated and how to enter data using the Excel import. Please note that it is necessary to have previously created your project and your log frame. If you haven't done this yet, then please refer to the corresponding videos. When you create a disaggregated indicator in LogAlto with more than one disaggregation, there are two possible ways to enter the data. You can choose to enter data in a combined or non-combined way. Let's look at an example. If my indicator number of people trained is disaggregated by age and gender, I can enter data combined. This means that I need to know precisely how many adult women participated in the training. When entering data, simply click on the indicator that you want to report on, and then enter manually the values for each combination. For example, females over 60 who participated in the training. If you configure your indicator as non-combined, then you can enter the data separately. On the one hand, you enter the number of female participants, and on the other you enter the number of participants over 60. Please note that this method of entering data doesn't allow you to do cross-reporting. This means that you won't be able to know how many female participants over 60 there were. Whenever you have disaggregation in your indicator, you can also decide which is the operation that should be applied to the values within each disaggregation. You have the possibility of adding up the values. In this case you should select sum, or of making an average of the values. In this case you should select average. In order to use the Excel import feature, you need to generate the template by the system and then enter the data for the period you wish to report on. To generate the template, first access the data entry screen. Then you can click on Import and Generate Data Entry Template. LogAlto will ask you to select which are the indicators that you wish to report on. Select all the ones that you want to see in the Excel document. You can also tell the system if you wish to report on progress or cumulative data. Simply select the correct option from the drop-down list. One thing to note is that indicators that have more than 3 combined categories will not be available in the Excel import. Once the Excel template is selected, you need to ensure that you are entering the data in the correct period by looking at the first 2 rows. Then validate that you're entering data in the correct indicator. Each sheet in the document represents a reporting frequency. Data should always be entered in the yellow-colored cells. You can also add notes to the data entry. Once you have finished entering all of the data, you need to go back to the data entry screen in LogAlto and click Import. The system will work its magic and you will see a little green arrow allowing you to refresh the page once the import is completed. And now you're all set.